Does this start from 5? Watch this not be set this time. Well, I think... Where are you going? You're a fucking asshole. Alright, I'm taking that.
Where am I going?
Oh, you're dumb. Okay, come on, bitch.
Where's you at?
You don't know where the fuck you are? Head. Come on. Let me take a genius. Fucking. That's better than the gun you have. Why would you do that? But you can get rid of the other pistol.
True.
Think. You have time to think. It's like if you time.
Fuck me. You're not fucking funny. Bye-bye.
Why am I running fast as shit? Like, do you see this? I'm already up here and shit.
Oh, what the fuck?
Oh, that's a rocket launcher. I'm gonna keep this for a little bit. Ah, set.
Fuck you.
Whatever that's not being set. That's good, that's good, that's good. What? Get rid of the other gun! Why are you using that? Change your gun!
Don't answer right. I panic.
Clearing out the hole there, window. I'm just a window cleaner. You asshole. Oh. Alright, everybody says that RPG is awesome when you pack a punch it. Does this help you a little bit?
Wait.
I just came in to steal your thunder, I'm sorry. Yes! I'm talking about nigga.
I'm just gonna get the ray gun.
You both got it now.
We're just gonna get the ray gun and reverse that.
I'm gonna mess around with the RPG for a little bit.
We just need to get this. You just need to get the what you call it? The teddy bear. Alright?
Yeah, I know.
So it goes back.
Here, you work up here. Let me work down here for a little bit. Oh shit. This is how you work down here. I'll show you how to work down here. The higher you shoot, the better. Ted, I'd use your other gun right now.
I have no ammo in this one.
You did? Oh, really? I'm pack-a-punching mine.
Did I get the RPG?
Yeah, I have it. We have the same class again.
What the fuck am I doing?
Takes time, man. Thanks. Oh, you asshole. That'd be awesome. Going in here. But I don't know how that would work. Look, we got the same fucking class. Don't, that can kill you, by the way. Whoa, it sounds like one's like right next to me.
Should I get it?
Yeah, it's the hammer.
Try that?
It's the second best.
Should I?
I guess. Alright, I'm bringing this to you. You good. Yo, watch out behind you. Alright. Thumbs up. Why is she dying?
I'm just getting my money and spending it because.
Yo, look.
What's this? What's that?
Quick revive. It makes you revive fast. Quick revive. You come do it. Then you look again.
Get it.
Yo, this I heard was amazing. Like people make trains, like make tons of zombies and stay capture them and just go. Boss, let me work my magic.
No, let me work mine.
Hold on, just let me work it. Since you got quick revive anyway. Don't
I
kill
have
him.
quick revive.
Don't kill
I
him.
didn't fucking buy it
Why?
because I didn't have enough money.
Stop killing them. Let me try it. Alright, we'll kill the ones that kid in front of you. Don't kill these. Don't kill the ones outside. I'm gonna try to do it. Kind of that.
Oh shit.
Leveled, dude. I just leveled it.
You're fucking good.
Working around them. Working around them. I got you, bro. I got you, bro. I got you, bro. Watch out. Don't you love it? Alright, just let them all come up here. I'm gonna make a train and I'm gonna bring them all up here. No, go up, go up. You're fucking dumb. You don't listen. Stop killing them! Alright, now there's only one. Kill it.
I did. Teddy bear.
There you go. Dude, you saw what it does. You saw what it does. Give up that one. Yeah, because that one's recoiling stuff.
Use the box. Use the box. Yes.
Oh shit. Come on, man. I'm stuck. Run. I got it back. Keep running. I'll get the train. Just don't shoot anybody. I'll get the train. Don't shoot anybody.
Fucking, I got shot because you said not to shoot anyone. I was running through them.
Did you get shot? I don't think I'm gonna shoot.
That was all you.
Dude, I'm just having too much fun with this.
You don't shoot him. I ain't fucking shooting. You were shooting at him. I'm pausing there.
Oh.
Yeah.
No.
Yeah, fucking, this is the game. You started it.